Okay, if you've watched the previous video, I finally got my dad's 29 Tudor started. Ran pretty good. It fired right off and ran pretty good. If you look at the other video, previous video. But I just got a call this morning, said he's gonna come by here because we've been watching this Hurricane Debbie, and as it moved across Florida and South Georgia, he has a little fishing camp down on the Georgia coast. And he wants to go down and check it out. He wants me to go with him. So he's gonna come by here in a few hours, and I haven't told him that I got it started. So I'm gonna bring him down here and just kind of show him where I'm at with it, and then try to get it to fire back up again and running. So we'll see what happens when he gets here. I don't remember how together it was last time you saw it. I think I was working on the distributor.
Yeah,
Had I put the starter on?
you had the starter on,
Yeah, I put the starter on, and I got this disconnect switch. Let me go on this side. You stay over there. Did I show you this disconnect switch?
yeah. I think so. But
Yeah, where you turn it on. And I did some wiring, I think, since. So I have this on-off switch up here. That's the ignition. And what I did over here was using this little gas tank. And I had to loosen it up so it would swivel a little bit. And see what it does. That other one, I don't think it leaks, but I wanted to show you that I finally got it started, and it'll run for a little while.
yeah, sounds good.
Now, yeah, the biggest problem really is the water leaks in the radiator. I can't let it sit too long and idle. What I do is I just lower this down.
That's your shut off valve.
Yeah.
Turn it that way.
Yeah. Oh, I can hear the gas running back down the line. But, yep. Now I had to wire it up and get enough wiring so it'll run. And I built this little rack thing so it could hold some of the stuff. Because without the cowl and the gas tank, it made it more difficult. See what it does. I'm not sure how much gas is in the tank. Shouldn't take much. set up. Key is on. Battery's connected.
Must be out of gas.
Yeah, I smell gas. And it's got some in there. I just don't know if it's below the level of the Now I won't put too much in it because it's sitting here in the basement. If it starts, I'm gonna have to open the door.
Oh, I thought it was gas.
Yeah, it was out of gas.